What's up, my zines? How do you feel? How are you? If you guys like me calling you zines, then please do put down in the comments below if you prefer it, and if you also prefer this angle. It's kind of easy for me, but hello. I'm going to be showing you my slimes. Lego. Because I promised you guys I would. So let me show you my slime that I made in the other video. As you know, this is the watermelon slime that we made. So, it's kind of sticky, as you saw in the other video. Cautious. Anyway, let's just show you. So here it is. It's like a watermelon-y colour with black glitters inside that are supposed to represent the seeds. So it's super stretchy. It makes awesome bubbles. Let me just show you guys. I'm not the best at making bubbles, so please do forgive me. It crunches. This one's a little bit sticky, but I'm gonna leave it like that because I don't want to overactivate it. Again, super stretchy. Look at that. And it smells pretty good because of the shaving gel. And clicks, stretches, makes bubbles. I'm sorry if I'm doing this on the encyclopedia. I had more surfaces, but this was the one that just caught my eye, so encyclopedia it is. Anyway, here it is. Kind of sticky, but hey, I can deal with it. And again, it's stretchy. So yeah. Okay, let's put this away. Continue. So this is called watermelon slime. So if you like this one, tell me. Comment which one of your slimes is the best. Which one you like? Which one's your favourite of yours? So next one. These are actually two, but it was like too big, so I had to separate into two containers. So yeah, I'm just gonna get one of them out. This is called Blue Abyss. So here it is. It's a bead slime and it's really crunchy. Again, super stretchy. Would you look at that? And makes awesome bubbles. It's got like these see-through beads in it. It's good at making slime swirls. It's not bad. Let me just show you a quick slime swirl. Comment down below, do you prefer slime swirls or slime bubbles? So here is my Blue Abyss slime. Blue glitters and everything. All blue. So let's put this one away. And move on to the next one. So these two are the same. So this one is called, I'm not really sure what to call this one. It's just really, this one was from a blindfolded slime challenge, so it's full of really random things like beads and confetti stars and all that. So it's kind of random, but hey, let's show you guys. It's got like alphabet beads and stars in it, and it's really crunchy. Again, really stretchy, awesome bubbles. That wasn't really a bubble, but who cares? So, here is my, I don't know, toy land or something, I don't know what to call that. Moving on to my black matte butter slime. This one was actually given to me by a friend. Shout out to them. It's really stretchy. And it's so matte and buttery. Like, super buttery. I love this one. It's just cool butter slime. So this one is my matte little black butter slime. I'm calling this Night Sky because it has like really holographic cool glitters in it, which I think represents stars. Moving on to my slime smoothie. Basically, I got all my slimes and I mixed them together, and most of them were white, so that's why it's a really light colour. And it made this slime smoothie. It's got so many glitters in it and everything. It's kind of overactivated because it's activator mixed with activator mixed with activator, aka slime mixed with slime mixed with slime. So it's kind of overactivated, but hey, it's pretty good. There's a bigger version of this. I just got a bit and put it in a bit, put a bit of it in a container and gave the rest away because it was really huge. And I wanted to keep some just to know that I made a slime smoothie. Next is this mint choc chip, my favourite. Would you look at that? It's so pretty. Smells awesome. And it's probably one of my favourite slimes. It's so pretty, like so minty, and it's got black glitters to represent chocolate chips. It's so stretchy. Honestly. And so pretty, and it looks exactly like mint chocolate chip. Comment down which one of your favourite slimes from my collection. Like, comment down which one is your favourite out of all of these I've made. Super clicky and stretchy. Look how far it stretches. Now that is what you call the stretchy slime. So let's put this one back. I'm getting the watermelon slime all over it. Oh well, who cares? So this is my my mint choc chip. Next, this is a small sample version. It's really tiny. It's in a mini tiny container. I just like taking this wherever I go. Like, I'll take this wherever I go. It's finger size. And it does a bit of a farty. And it's the mint choc chip one. So, yeah. Can take this wherever I go. And that's it really. There is another matte black butter slime in another container because it was so much. I don't really know what that is. Anyway, those are all my slimes. I have made even more. I put it in a slime smoothie, which is enormous. And there's even been some fails. But that's all I have. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye.